Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to insert a row in an Excel worksheet. So straight to the point, let's say you want to insert a row here. What you have to do is to click wherever you want to insert the row. Then next you go to Home tab, locate Insert, then Insert Sheet Rows. Click on it. You can see a row has been created here. Alright, and alternatively, if you want to insert a row, you can also right click, look for Insert, then look for Entire Row, click OK. Here we have it. So these are the two ways you can simply add a row in an Excel worksheet. In case maybe you want to insert a value in between an already existing value, all you have to do is you just insert the row. You can insert as many rows as possible. Okay, so whichever best suits you, do so and add as many rows as you want. Alright guys, if you find value in this video, do well to like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you and see you on the next one. Bye bye.